Hi, I'm Dominique Vernier and I will explain in this video how to install the SmartCloud application workload service pattern deployer plugin on an Eclipse environment. So first I set up my Eclipse environment for a web application. So I have a simple web application here, DB2 sample, and I installed the IBM WebSphere application server developer tools as I'm building a web application. So secondly, I have to download the plugin, the Eclipse plugin, the SmartCloud application workload service pattern deployer. For that, I looked into the asset catalog of the SmartCloud Enterprise. I searched for the SCAWS pattern deployer, and I will download this asset. So here is the asset. I open it and click on download this asset. And I save it on my local disk. Secondly, I have to unzip this asset and I will copy it in my demo directory. Here we are. Now I have also to download the Apache Wink. So look in the documentation which version of the Apache Wink you have to download, because you have to download a specific version. So here I have to go in the archive to download the 1.2.1 version. So I save it also on my local disk and I unzip it into my demo directory. Now I have to add an environment variable pointing to this Apache Wink library. So I click on environment, and this environment variable is Wink home, where I set up with the path of my Wink directory. Now let's close everything. Now one last thing to do is in my eclipse.ini I have to add two variables to specify where I would like to store my certificate. So now I'm ready to start my Eclipse environment and install the plugin. And the installation of the plugin is done as usual. So I go on help, install new software. I specify the location of the repository. Here it's an archive which I download from the SmartCloud Enterprise asset catalog, so I will point to this archive, click OK. I see here the version of the SCAWS pattern deployer. I install it. I accept the license term, and the installation is done as usual in Eclipse. So I confirmed the installation and I restart my Eclipse environment. And now I can open the SmartCloud application workload service pattern deployer view. Here is the view. And I'm ready to create a new connection to a SmartCloud application workload service by clicking on the plus. Hope you enjoyed this short video demonstrating how to install the SmartCloud application workload service pattern deployer plugin. It was Dominique Vernier. Thank you.